Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. This is day 9 of 100 days of trading. Today I took two trades in gold, one in London session and one in New York session, and both of trade hit my SL. The reason of the SL, the mistake which I made is explained on charts. So first let's come on charts. Here if you see that this is the first trade I took. This is the first trade that I took in the London session. I took this trade in the London session here, and if you see the logic was like market here was trending in an uptrend. If you see that it was trending in an uptrend here, this was uptrend, and what I've noticed is as the market was trending upwards in an uptrend, I decided to use fib levels and plan along after the retracement. So what I did is I just drew a fib level from swing low to swing high, and here if you see that the fib levels, yeah, these are the fib levels guys, and here if you see that as I drew fib levels, market just came near this level. You might have wondering that I just took a random trade here. Yes, I'll explain you the logic. Market just came here this level and did not respect this. After that it came near this 0.618 level and it just went up, and again it swept the liquidity of the traders entering on 0.618 level, and it just came up. As it was coming up, the logic, trade logic was like, as the market is coming taking rejection from 0.618 level, here if you see here 0.618 level, as it took rejection there, my logic was like, as it is taking rejection from 0.618 level, and there may be buyers sitting on 0.5 level, which may give boost to the buying volume, and the price can go up. This was a pure logic behind it, and one more logic, that smart money might have been entering here. This was a logic number 2. These were two logics for me to enter a trade here, and slowly as the market took rejection from here, I just started to trade triggered a pending order above this level. Market came above this level, it just went few pips up, and then straight away hit my SL. So here it was a pure bullshit logic. I realized that it was a pure bullshit logic. And if smart money have to enter, they will always enter when the market retraces first, not on second or third entry. So this was a pure bullshit logic, and this was a mistake, and I accept it, and I will never try to repeat it again. So this was the logic of trade number 1, which I hope you guys have understood what mistake I made here. Let's go to trade number 2, sorry. So yeah, if you see that this was trade number 2, I'll just remove my 15 minutes. Yeah. So here what happened is, market was consolidating in a support here, on a support. Yes. Market first went down, invited all the sellers, then removed them, and it just went up. Here you see this candle, it just went up. What this candle indicated is, as the price went up, there might be a buyer stepping in as the price went up from here, and the price might go from here. So the buyers might have been stepping in, and there is a liquidity available here, So as the buyers are stepping in and there is a liquidity available here, I decided to plan short if the market breaks the support. Market broke the support and I entered the trade. As I entered the trade, the market went few points in my favor, then straight away went on to hit my SL. Here there is another mistake which I'll try to show you. Wait, in 5 minutes time frame, if you see that as the market, this was a rejection candle, as it went up, the buyer, if you see that the buying was very strong here. As the buying was very strong, suddenly the selling came and I just entered the trade. How can I even enter a trade when there is a good strength in buying? I just entered a trade when there is a strong buying, and I just hit my SL and went up. So here what could have been done is, I would have waited for the market to see if there is weak buying. I would have waited for the buyers to get weak and then step in. That would be a good confirmation here. So yeah, not waiting for the buyers to get weak is the mistake here. I should have waited for the buyers to get weak, or I should have waited for at least the market to consolidate on support. So yeah, this was a mistake that I made in trade 2, not waiting for the buyers to get weak. These are the mistake I made. First mistake is obvious, that's a bullshit one. Second is not waiting for the buyers to get weak. These are the two mistakes from two trades that I have taken on day 8 of trading. Now I'll show you my PNL as well. Here if you see that my PNL, see this is the loss of which I took in London session, this which I took in the New York session. These are the two losses which I took here. And yeah, this losses, there's like I've learned a lot of things from it. I've learned two mistakes and I'll never repeat that mistake again when I trade again. So yeah, these two mistakes, and we should take these mistakes in a positive way. Like it's never a losing day, but it's always a learning day. So I'm taking it as a learning day, and one more positive is that I'm taking it as my cost to the business. So yeah, this was a 2, but nevertheless we'll just come back stronger as we came back before. So yeah, this was the day, this was the mistakes that I made. Okay, so this was it. I hope you guys have learned something from my mistakes. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.